Just got a nice old tornado warning. Hell, it actually looked fine out here, but then you turn around here and that's coming this way and literally has moved over top of us here in Florence. It was all nice and blue like that over there, and in less than 5 minutes that big grayish black blob headed this way. The tornado warning supposedly ends in like 5 minutes in this area. I've seen a few little drop down streamers off the cloud that it's just moving so fast though. Can't hardly see anything now. It's just all gray and black. You can see kind of some light back over. The camera doesn't hardly do it justice. You got nice the edge right there, but boy, that. And then all the way, and then back over there, nice some blue sky, but man, that is just, the wind is barely blowing. You see the kind of the tree, what little few leaves is out there. I mean, just a slight little breeze, but those clouds up there have moved within 5 minutes, came from as far as you can see of the tip of them trees over top of us, and now black is right on top of us. I can kind of see some lightning back over in the very back. So I guess maybe it looks like it's going to pass us without any incident. You can see a little bit of white behind it in a few spots. But the radar had this right here was showing rotation on the radar. Seen a little of it as it moved in, seen a few wisps of stuff twirling around, but yeah, we're starting to get a little bit of I guess the white behind it clearing up, or I don't know, it's still it kind of looks a little ominous still. Wind's picked up some. This is on East Covered Bridge, Florence. Boy, yeah, the wind is really picking up. Whoa, man, I guess this must be what they were. Now it's starting to raining a little bit. Boy, well, I was thinking it was going to pass by without incident, but whoa. Damn. Shit! Oh! Damn! Talk about going from 0 to 60 It said that the storm had 55 mile per hour winds. Boy, that's cleaning out my gutters. Okay, maybe it's letting up a little bit. Boy, that is kind of ominous. Look, oh, there's that rotation I was seeing. Whoa. Dang. That's lower. There it is. It's twirling. Damn, and right underneath of that was that major wind that just hit us. Damn, that is twirling. Yeah, it's already clearing up back that way. But that is twirly. I see why they called the warning. That don't look good at all. Boy, sun peeking in out there. But that right there, that's the scary little funnel. And it's getting ready. It started to rain a little more. Well, I'm out of here. Boy, did you see how fast that wind picked up right under it? There's a funnel. Literally a swirling that was right over top of us when that wind hit. It just passed us.
The wind wasn't blowing at all.